Despite the many strong military forces of many countries, the Turkish army is seriously strengthening its military power. In addition, Turkey is the third largest military power of NATO. The Turkish Armed Forces have 883,000 soldiers. 350,000 of these soldiers are active, while 380,000 are reservists. According to military rankings, the Turkish army is the 9th most powerful military force in the world. It is also the 3rd most powerful military force in NATO. In addition to being the NATO country with the highest number of troops after the USA, the founder of NATO, Turkey is the only active country of the alliance on many continents. Ballistic missiles are one of the most strategically important weapons of countries. These systems are one of the seriously very important systems for Turkey. Systems such as the Turkish-made Bora and J600T have an average range of 500 kilometers. This range can target Israel and many countries within its range. As for the self-propelled artillery, there are T-155 Storm and US-produced M110S. As rocket artillery, there are T-122 Sakarya and TRG-300 Hurricanes and US-made M270s. Armored vehicles, 50,000 self-propelled artillery, 1,400 multiple rocket systems, 286 It has the most crowded fleet of unmanned aerial vehicles among European countries. The Turkish Air Force is one of the forces that use UAVs and SIHAs most effectively in the world. Turkey's UAV adventure started in the 1990s with the GNAT 750 UAV produced in the USA and continued in the 2000s with the IAI Heron purchased from Israel. TSK uses about 500 UAVs, Sikhs such as Turkish production Bayraktar TB2 and Anka. The Turkish Air Force is responsible for protecting Turkey against any kind of attack that may come from the air. The 3rd largest under the command of the Turkish Armed Forces. This is power. Thanks to the fact that it has 1,083 aircraft in its inventory, it is the country with the most aircraft in Europe. In addition, Turkey is the NATO country with the largest number of fighter jets after the United States. As with many powerful air forces in the world, the Turkish Air Force also has F-16 Falcon fighter jets. Turkey is the country with the most F-16 after the USA. It is also the only country after the USA that produces these aircraft. Fighter and bomber aircraft are always the type of fighter aircraft that Turkey is the weakest. The F-4 Ghosts owned by Turkey were modernized by Israel under the name Terminator 2020. The F-4E is still preferred by Turkey because it provides the same performance as many modern warplanes. The F-4E has a speed of 2,370 kilometers and a range of 680 kilometers. As an attack helicopter, it is the country with the most attack helicopters in Europe. In addition, attack helicopters such as the Turkish-made T-129 Attack are used by the Turkish Air Force. The TIT-129 Attack has a maximum speed of 278 kilometers and a range of 500 kilometers. transports aircrafts 84, trainers aircrafts 280, helicopters 500, attack helicopters 111.
Endurance of 4 hours 15 minutes. I have ordered also by the countries of Nigeria, Libya, Niger and Libya. You see, it's highly manoeuvrable.
The Turkish naval forces are responsible for protecting Turkey against any kind of attack that may come from the sea. The second largest under the command of the Turkish Armed Forces. It is strength. It has a total of 182 ships. In addition, Turkey also has unmanned aerial vehicles called TB3, which are not available on helicopter carriers located in many countries. The Turkish Navy has attack submarines in the Prevezi class, weighing 1,586 tons as submarines. It is also the only country in the region with a helicopter carrier. TCG Anadolu has a weight of 27,000 tons. As a frigate, it has 3,350-ton Barbaros class and 4,166-ton Gabia class warships. The biggest disadvantage of the Turkish Navy is the small number of corvettes it has, and it might be better to have more modern frigates as frigates. Helicopters carriers 1, frigates 17, corvettes 9, submarines 13, patrol vessels 41, mine warfare 11,